Okay, so we are learning chapter number 3, that is operating system. And in last class we have learned like what is operating system and what are the basic functions performed by operating system. And you have also learned like without operating system you will not be able to do anything in your computer, in your phones. So in each and every system, like if you're having laptop or you're having desktop or you are using phone, so if no operating system will be there, you will not be able to do anything. So operating system is mandatory for operations. Is it clear to all of you? So now I will play one video. Listen that carefully. Okay, after that we will continue with the next topic of your chapter.
Hello, my name is Sean. Today, I'm going to explain the basics of an operating system so that you have an understanding. We will be covering key concepts and definitions, most briefly touching upon the essentials of operating systems. So, what is an operating system? In simple terms, it is the chief program that manages all of the hardware and software. It has control of every process, file, section of memory, and device. It is very important as it works as a middleman, making sure both hardware and software interact correctly. Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Unix are the big operating system containers, and all have their own.
Okay, so as you can see, operating system manages all the operation performed by hardware or software. So with the help of this picture, you can understand very well. So here is your software, here is your hardware. So in between, which one is providing the interface? Operating system. So all the functions performed by your hardware, instructions are provided by the operating system. So you can say that operating system is an intermediator between hardware and software. Now what is the meaning of intermediator? हार्डवेयर आपका परफॉर्म करता है कोई भी काम, कोई भी टास्क, और वो टास्क आप किसकी हेल्प से परफॉर्म करते हो? विद द हेल्प ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर. नाउ अब हार्डवेयर को कौन बताएगा कि सॉफ्टवेयर का कौन सा काम परफॉर्म करना है? ओनली ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. सो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम एक्ट एज एन हेड ऑफ दैट हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर, जो मॉनिटर करता है कि किसको कौन सा टास्क किस टाइम पे करना है. इज इट क्लियर?
It is very important as it works as a middleman, making sure both hardware and software interact.
So you can say operating system work as a middleman between hardware and software.
Right, correctly. Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Unix are the.
Okay, so these are some example of operating system. First one is your Windows, then we are having Linux, Ubuntu or Unix, and last one we are having Mac OS. So these are some name of different operating system.
Big operating system containers, and all have their own advantages and or disadvantages, but they are all based off.
Okay. So हर एक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के अपने एडवांटेजेस हैं, अपने कुछ डिसएडवांटेजेस हैं. क्लियर?
The same concept. There are four essential managers of every operating system, and they all work together like a team to get jobs completed. The operating system works as their boss and makes sure they are all working in harmony. The memory manager is in charge of the main memory. It scans every request for memory space and checks if it is valid. It allows allocation of the main memory. The memory manager is in charge and makes sure they are all.
Okay, so these are different tasks, different function performed by a operating system. It can be process manager, it can be file manager, or it can be memory manager and device manager. Means जो भी basic functions होते हैं आपके कंप्यूटर में. Now what is the meaning of process manager? अब एक टाइम पे आपका कंप्यूटर बहुत सारे काम करता है, ठीक है, और वो काम किस फॉर्म में होते हैं, प्रोसेस की फॉर्म में। तो कौन सा काम पहले करना है, कौन सा बाद में करना है, ऑल दोज थिंग्स टेकन केयर बाय अ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम। देन वी आर हैविंग फाइल मैनेजर, कौन सी फाइल को किस लोकेशन पे सेव करना है, कितनी उसकी स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी है, कौन सी उसको मेमोरी ब्लॉक में सेव करना है। सो ऑल दोज थिंग्स आल्सो टेकन केयर बाय अ ऑपरेटिंग system. Then we are having memory management and device management. Now one by one we will see the brief introduction to all the management process. Yes, Bhavna. Yes, tell me, Bhavna, what happened?
The video's voice is not coming.
Video voice is not coming. A little bit or
Also,
huh?
screen is also not showing, and video's voice is also not coming.
But I can see screen. Everyone else having same issue? Please confirm if all the students are not able to hear this video.
मैम यहाँ screen is showing, but screen जो है फिर कनेक्शन यहाँ पर कट जाता है, शायद इसलिए अच्छे से नहीं आती है।